Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2012 Toyota Camry cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and removing the dampener and stops to access the filter housing. Release the housing clips carefully and slide out the old filter. Compare the new filter orientation and insert it with the airflow arrow pointing inward. Reassemble the glove box, test the vents, and tidy your workspace. Begin by emptying the glove box and locating the damper arm on the passenger side. Unhook the damper arm and squeeze the glove box sides toward the center to disengage the stops. Lower the glove box to reveal the cabin filter cover and unclip the cover carefully. Pull the old filter out slowly to avoid releasing trapped debris. Inspect the inside for leaves or dirt and clean the compartment before installing the new filter. Take the new cabin air filter and confirm the airflow arrow direction toward the interior of the vehicle. Insert the filter gently, making sure it sits flush and does not bend or crumple inside the housing. Snap the filter cover back into place and lift the glove box back into position, reconnecting the damper arm and stops. Turn on the fan and check for steady airflow and quieter operation, then dispose of the old filter responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.